Suggestion none. Picture this: drones buzzing over fields, precision AI optimizing crop yields, and skyscraper farms producing fresh veggies in the heart of cities. Welcome to the farming revolution. First up, AI and drones are now the dynamic duo, reducing waste and boosting productivity like never before. Imagine a world where every plant gets exactly what it needs. Next, think fresh tomatoes in winter, right from a city skyscraper. Urban farming is turning concrete jungles green. Now, meet our new farmhands. These autonomous robots are picking fruits and veggies with lightning speed and accuracy. Farming has never been this efficient. And get this, thanks to CRISPR, crops are not only more resilient but also packed with nutrients. Healthier food, happier planet. Finally, innovations like smart irrigation and renewable energy are making farms eco-friendlier. We're talking about a greener, more sustainable future. Excited yet to subscribe to stay ahead and witness the future of farming unfold.